my god.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hey everybody, what is up? My name is Maddie if you're new here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing my everyday 5-minute makeup routine. If this video is not 5 minutes long, it's because I probably was rambling and talking too much. But like, what else is new? This is pretty much what I do every day, except, you know, some days I look like a little mole rat, or like the little rat from Kim Possible. That's what I feel like sometimes. So I usually do this every day for school because I'm lazy. I am so lazy, but I also don't want to look like I'm dying or like a rat. So a little mole rat, you know the works. Well, let's just jump in. Why does this seem excessive? I'm excessive. Okay, so we're just gonna honestly take this milk cooling stick and we're just gonna throw it all over my face, all over my eyes. Not in your eye though, because I did that before and it hurts so bad. But basically the cooling stick just helps depuff your face. Then I'm gonna go in with some Fenty. A little bit up here, down here, down here. Boom! I don't know why I always put it on my eyelids, I just do. And I'm just gonna rub it in with my fingertips. Okay, so once my primer's on, I'm just gonna take my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer and I'm just gonna pop it under my eyes and kind of wherever I have some breakouts. My skin has really been clearing up, and if you want to know my skin routine, it was posted last week, and be sure to go check that out if you want to know how I kind of cleared my acne. Then I'm just going to go with my beauty sponge. I'm just going to beat this. I'm literally not using a mirror, so this could be disastrous. So how's everyone's day been? Good, good. I filmed an ab workout on Friday, and you want to know the funny thing is that my head was cut off during the whole thing, so that really spoiled my mood, which was awful because I was like so excited to edit it, and then I open it on iMovie and bam, head's gone. What a my powder, I just used the Marcel powder. You can get it at the drugstore, just in the shade translucent, but it also has a very pink undertone, so beware of that. And I just literally set everywhere. It's not like I put anything here on my smile lines, but I always cover it up because I don't know, I just feel like I feel good when I cover up my smile lines. What if my head's cut off? That'd be awesome. I go in with the big fluffy one. I'm just gonna wipe it all off, bronze up my face. Honestly, I'm just doing this today because one, gotta film, because I love editing and I love posting videos on YouTube. It's honestly so much fun. But two is I have to go out later tonight with my family and I don't want to look like I'm dying because that'll be problematic for like everyone. So for blush, I just go in with the Sephora, I don't even know what this is, the Sephora Blush To Go in the shade 3 Miss Spicy, and it's just a blush stick. So it's cream, so I'll just usually go like this. I'll kind of do an excessive amount if I'm being completely honest. And I do some up my nose because if you like I find if I put blush on my nose, even though it's not summer here in Canada, I feel like I can fake it and be like, well, yeah, I'm like a little bit sunburned. Like this look, so it's not like a sunburnt look. It's like, oh, it's just out in the cold. And like I have cute little rosy red cheeks, you know, like, yeah, that's what this look is. Then I just go in with the Luminizer To Go number 12 Miss Sunshine from Sephora collection, and I just kind of put that, honestly, a little bit everywhere. I don't know, I just find it gives you like a cute little dewy, like, ooh, girl, you're looking so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with my, with a blending brush. I'm gonna go in with my contour palette in more like a cooler brown shade, and I'm just gonna pop that in the crease. Wow, wow, this is literally, I'm trying to do this in 5 minutes, but like, then when I edit and everything, like, you know, it's just, oh yeah, we gotta snatch the nose a little bit because my nose is a little bit, I dropped my phone on there a little bit too many times, and it's like crooked. And I probably have a deviated septum. I have like this weird whistle in my nose, and I got it after I dropped my phone on my nose one night, and that's probably my own fault. Just deviating my own septum. Is that even a phrase? I'm a mess. I'm a freaking mess. Okay, we're gonna take just a little feathery brush, and we're just gonna pop a nice shimmery gold color in the shade Glam in my inner corners. I'm a mess. Hi, puppy. How are you? You're so cute. Okay, come here. I want to show you to the world. Hold on. Come here. Come here. Say hi. Hi. You're so cute. It just sucks. Okay, so on Tuesdays, another side thought. I go to school 13 hours out of the day. So, comment down below if you want to see a video, if you want to see a vlog where I take you to school for those 13 hours. Definitely will be filled with some mental breakdowns because I have lots of those during my day. So that concludes my 5-minute everyday makeup tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. This video should be going up on Wednesday, and I post videos also 2 times a week, so make sure you subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you are notified when it goes up. And what else? Bye. Just kidding. Bye guys, I will see you all on Friday.
Small voice in the choir. Guess I never dared to know myself. Can my heart be quiet?